Hi, today we're discussing the knowledge transfer in 90 days when we come to acquire a company. Actually, this is a very critical operation and it's not easy because we will have some reluctancy, some resistance from some people. And of course, in 90 days' time, we should prioritize. We should understand what kind of knowledge we need first. We should understand the big tickets, the medium tickets, the low size tickets, and then we create a plan. The first thing I see is very important to do that is um, understand that knowledge transfer routes in project management. There are different routes associated with knowledge transfer involved with various levels: the individual, the project, and the organizational. Um, the data repository or reservoir is around the individual level, the project level, and organizational level. Um, Knowledge transfer to and from the individual level, I think that a PMO should play the role of facilitator of knowledge transfer to and from the individual level. This can be achieved by the following: implementing and incentives for revealing knowledge by individuals, building a well-structured data repository including valuable external and internal data. Um, this is number one. Number two, knowledge transfer to and from the individual level. In the incentives, building an efficient incentive-based system is a challenging task, as the individual taking part in the project can have different needs. Therefore, the first task of the PMO should be to identify the structure and typology of people involved in projects. Based on that, we can build the entire incentives system. This process can somehow be similar to that of stakeholders management. Therefore, the incentive system on this level can be different in different companies, influenced mostly by the project types and furthermore by the types of workers. So that's why it's very important to prioritize, as I said at the very beginning. On the second level, the well-structured data repository. The PMO should be also responsible for building and maintaining a well-structured data repository. It should be organized in such a way that individuals with a lack of knowledge should have easy access to it. This is not only limited to computer-aided search tools, but also knowledge should be presented using different means such as audio, video, or text. And in some cases, a short video is more desirable for individuals than reading a chapter of the manual. Coming to the next point, which is knowledge transfer to and from project and organization levels. Knowledge transfer to and from the project and organization levels is more crucial in the multi-project environment than in single project-based companies, while the individual level is of high importance in both. However, knowledge in the project and organization level is more dependent on the quality of data repository than the incentive system. It is so as the PMO, being responsible for collecting the data from the project and portfolio levels, acquires a lot of data anyway. What's more, there is no real need to additionally endorse project, program, or portfolio managers to produce redundant reports. If anything, the incentive system should be focused on drawing some conclusions from the data analysis, which should result in project or portfolio management improvement. The next one is the key steps toward facilitating knowledge transfer is: number one, establish the PMO, assign tasks to the PMO, which is build data repository, create incentive system for internal knowledge capture, fill in the data repository with external knowledge. And then identify the level groups in the company, whether this is individual, whether this is project, and whether this is organizational. This is basically the most important part of the knowledge transfer, and also understanding the main acquisition long and short term and quick wins goals will also better focus on which data to be acquired first. Thank you.